Alright guys, so let's go, let's do this. First grab your 45 T45 Torx bit 45. To simplify my life, I'm gonna use this, an impact wrench. Remove these caps, unbolt them. These are aluminum bolts, so do not expect any magnetic sanction on it. First we're going to install the pannier rack, so let's get this out of the Alright, let's get this out of the way. There is a rubber grommet in here, so you can put it in here. I'm gonna try and use the OEM, the original screws in here, the bolts in here. I don't know, man. Does this look legit? Nope. I don't know. Well, let's see how it would look with the seat on. Is it seat? No, it's the wrong way. So far so good. So this would supposedly will fit like this. Supposedly. Okay. So we'll loosen these things up. I guess I lost the bolt. Okay, it's getting cold. We'll put the rubber grommet in here. We're gonna mount this thing in here. I find the pannier racks were easier to install, although the removing was pretty much the same, just reverse way. So we'll move on the back and we'll try and align it from the back. now we got that out of the way. That's it. Flusher, I like it.